Why you should eat 2 eggs every day. Number 1, you'll protect your liver. B vitamins aren't the only ovular micronutrients that contribute to eggs' beneficial effects on liver health. Eggs are also in the nutrient choline. Number 2, you're slowing down the aging process. Yellow organic pigments contain carotenoids, or antioxidants, which can slow down the aging process. Number 3, you'll lose weight faster. With a glycemic index of 0, eggs fill you up and help you lose weight. Number 4, you're doing your skin and hair a favor. Biotin, vitamin B12, and protein are important for healthy hair and radiant skin. Number 5, you're lowering your risk of cardiovascular diseases. This is because eggs contain omega-3 fatty acids. Number 6, you're keeping your eyes healthy. Vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin help the eye with light and dark vision, color vision, and daytime vision, while protecting the eye from free radicals. Number 7, you're lowering the risk of birth defects. Vitamin B8, or folic acid, protects the unborn baby from damage to the central nervous system. Number 8, you're keeping your bones healthy. Vitamin D and calcium are very important for healthy bones and teeth. Number 9, you're protecting your brain. Your brain and nervous system require the nutrient choline for transmitting stimuli. Number 10, you'll boost your immune system. If you don't want to play with infections, viruses, and diseases, add an egg or 2 to your diet daily. Number 11, you'll save your life. It can make 11 essential amino acids, which are necessary to sustain life. Thing is, there are 20 essential amino acids that your body needs. Number 12, you'll lower inflammation. Lower inflammation has widespread health benefits that range from lowering risks of cardiovascular disease to improving the body's ability to break down fat. Kids should eat eggs especially. The benefits of eggs. They boost brain power. They protect eye health. Facilitates muscle building. Improves your mood, lowers your risk of cancer, encourages healthy hair and nails, helps in maintaining healthy weight. Share this incredible knowledge with your friends.